Spend a chill afternoon with me and my Essa. Got hungry, let's see what there is to eat. Been busy all morning, so I'm happy just to chill. I think Snowflake is a little hungry too. Nice pick, Snow. You really want that LOL? Snowflake LOL. You can't have chocolate anyways. No Snowflake. Time to pick. They all look so good. This one. Oh my god, it looks so gummy. Nice. No Snowflake. Stole. Good. Don't do that. Again. DONT. Give me that look. We have arrived. Going for a walk. Beautiful fields. They're wonderful. The water is so clean. The breeze, oh my god, so refreshing. Go into that castle, I wonder what's inside. Just enjoy the sound of the wind. This was the so-called castle. It was really cool though. So many stairs. I was tired. I had been walking a lot. Here we are. Looks really old but cool. A little scenery, I love it so much. Nature is just beautiful. I love my Essa snowflake so much, LOL. TSEM for 96 subscribers. Messing around because why not? Walking up this massive hill to get to the car. Going to the car, but right now, so sad that it's over. In the car, heading home. Ending the day with the amazing digital circus. This is the second time I've watched it. So sad it's over.